Hey, boys and girls, this is Mr. McKee. Good to see you all. All right, today I'm going to share with you guys some definitions. Equal parts. What is equal parts? Well, what is equal? The same. What is parts? Sections. So if we're talking about equal parts, parts that are equal, sections that are equal. What does it look like? I mean, the word sounds good, definition sounds good, but what does it look like to the eye? Let's take a look. Now, if you guys notice right here, you have a circle. Well, the circle has parts. Are they equal parts? How will we know they are equal parts? Well, one thing with the eye, we can see that each one of these are cut into a section. Each section has this shape. How many sections are each part cut into? They're cut into 4 parts that look equal. Same shape, same size. This is what you would call a perfect example of an equal part. Now, equal part, for those of you who are getting older and you're starting to see these different words that look a little bigger, more challenging, these equal parts actually are also known as fractions, where you will say part of the whole thing. So not only do we know a little something about equal parts, but we also know about fractions. Let's look at another example just to make sure that we have an understanding of equal parts, because all equal parts are not going to look like this. They may look a little different, maybe a different shape. Let's try another one. Take a look at this one. Now, if you notice, this looks like we have equal parts. Now, if I look at all of the squares inside of this, looks like a square. Each one of these are cut into what we call unit squares. And these are all individual squares. We can count each square by 1. It says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 squares, all equal in size. All are cut into parts of this whole square. So we cut it into 16 equal parts. So if I just wanted, let's just say these were candies. Let's say it was Starburst. And let's say each one of these represented a Starburst. Then I could give, and each person, I want to give a Starburst to one person. So if I wanted to give each person a Starburst, then guess what I would do? I would be able to give how many people a Starburst? There's 16 equal parts to this whole group, this whole square. So if I wanted to give each one of these to a person, I could give 16 total. But each person would get an equal part, an equal part. Very good, boys and girls, very good. Very good, very good, very good. So I see that we are learning about equal parts. Let's try something a little different. Let's see what you guys can do with this one right here. Now, let's take a look at these 4 problems. Now, if you notice, something looks a little different about number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. What's different? Oh, I see what's different. There are circles, squares, triangles, and rectangles. Well, let's go a little deeper. We're going to dive a little deeper, and we're going to look at number 1. First thing, when you're doing any math problems, you always look at name first. Then you look at the title. Obviously, we're working with equal parts. Then you look at the directions. So read the directions along with me. Circle the shapes in each set that have equal parts. Cross out the shapes with unequal parts. Now, if it equal parts means each part is the same shape and size, then unequal parts means that they're not the same shape and size. So let's see if we can figure out which ones have equal parts. Let's take a look at number one. I'm looking at number one, and number one has one, two sections. Is this the same shape and same size on this side as it is on this side? Yes, Mr. McKee. Hey! Yes. How about this one right here? Something looks a little different. There's a lot of space right here, right? Yeah, this is very little space here. Are these two sides, is this the same shape and size as this? It is the same shape, but is it the same size? It's not equal, is it? Okay. What should we do with that one? Cross it out? Yes, we crossed this one out. Very good. Very good. You guys got it. We crossed that one out. Let's take a look here. This looks kind of like a tennis ball, doesn't it? Like a tennis ball. Well, let me ask you this. Is it the same? How many sections? One, two, that's a big section. Three, four. Well, let me ask you, what do you notice? It's three sections, that's one thing, and they're not the same shape or same size for each section. So is this equal or unequal? Unequal. Oh, means not. So it's not equal. Very good. What about this one here? Ah, yes, 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 yes. One, two, three, four. Yes, very good, very good. And all four are the same shape and same size. So it looks like these are equal parts. How many equal parts is this? Four. Very good. So if I was to take this section here, how many parts would this be? One out of what? How many total parts? Four. Oh, one out of four. Very good. So do we have to cross this one out? No, we would circle this shape, wouldn't we? Very good. And we would circle this shape. What would we do with these two? We would cross them out. Okay, why? Oh, because they're unequal parts. How do you know? Not the same shape, same size. Oh, very good. Okay, each section. Okay, so let's take a look at number two. Number two is interesting. Okay, let's point out all the ones with the same shape, same size. Now, sections. Let's take a look. Ooh, this one's a little tricky. This one's a little tricky. Take a look at this one. Now take a look at this one. Take a look at this one. Okay. So which one or ones can we cross out because they're unequal in in terms of parts? Oh, this one definitely. This one jumps right out because we have this one big section here, then we have these two sections that look like they're the same shape, same size. But this one is not. Very good. What about this one right here? Kind of looks like an envelope, doesn't it? Or like a little box, the bottom of a box and you open it up. Yeah. Okay. Yep. This same section. Each section is the same shape, same size. They're equal parts. Very good. What about this one? Ah, same shape, same size, equal parts. Now this one, I'm a little hesitant on this, and I'm gonna tell you why. I don't like how it's drawn. I believe it was meant to be the same shape and same size because it's supposed to be four equal sections, but I think the print might be a little skewed, but it's supposed to be the same shape, same size for each section. So you should have four equal sections. So we are to do what? Cross this shape out. Very good, very good. Let's take a look at number three. Number three, what stands out? Show me the two that stands out. I see two that stands out. This one? No, 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 no. You think so? What? Okay, let's take a look. Let's take a look. What about this one? Okay, what about this one? Ooh, this one really stands out. What's wrong with this one? Oh yeah, the section's so small here. This one's so big, and definitely not the same shape, same size. They're even both of them are triangles. If you take a look here, it's a little small, skinny triangle, but it's not the same exact shape as this one. So right there, off the bat, we already know the section is much smaller. This is much bigger. This is not even shaped exactly the same as this. So different shape and different size, definitely unequal parts. What about this right here? Oh, wow. Yeah, that stands out too. What do you notice? What? This is not even a triangle. If you look here, this is not a triangle in this section. Now, these two sections are the same shape, same size. These two sections are the same shape, same size. Well, why isn't it equal parts? Because all of the sections in the shape has to be the same shape, same size. All, not just these two and these two separately, as all be the same. So which one has sections, parts that are the same shape, same size? Yes, the first one. Very good. The first one, same shape, inside, both triangles, same size. Very good. Okay, let's take a look at number 4. Wow, very good, very good, very good, very good, very good. So you said we can keep this one and keep this one. And this one we cross out. Yes, yes, the middle one. Why? It's not even the same shape, is it? Definitely not the same size, but this shape is different from this shape. This is a triangle. This shape right here, what is this shape? Oh, for you got, oh wow, some of you really know these shapes already. This is a trapezoid. If you really look closely, this is a trapezoid and this is a triangle. Two totally different shapes. Not only different sizes, but different shapes as well. Okay, so equal parts. Very good, very good, very good, very good. So we are at the end of our quick vocabulary lesson. I will be back on this week to review equal parts. Have a good day, boys and girls.